Away from security now, the Federal Capital Territory Administration says it will enforce mandatory immunization verification exercises for admission, readmission and transfer in all schools in the FCT. Mandate Secretary Adedolapo Fashawe says only 1.4 million of the 2.6 million children in the FCT are vaccinated, warning that non-compliance will attract sanctions under existing education and public health regulations. Habida Lawal has more.
Vaccine hesitancy has become a major public health challenge, particularly in low and middle-income countries like Nigeria, where childhood immunization remains a key strategy for preventing vaccine-preventable diseases. Despite the availability of vaccines, a significant number of FCT residents remain hesitant to vaccinate their children, resulting in lower coverage rates and increased vulnerability to infectious diseases. That is why the Mandate Secretary of the FCT Health and Environment Secretariat, Adedolapo Fashawe, has read the Riot Act to schools across the territory on the need to ensure that all students are vaccinated.
Together, we can ensure that no child in the FCT, and indeed no child in Nigeria, is denied access to his or her fundamental human rights. We must ensure that we protect our children from preventable diseases.
This meeting aims to allay the fears of parents and guardians about vaccine safety and address their lack of trust in healthcare providers.
When you want to enter university or take civil service job, medical certificate of fitness, we will all come together, find a software in the future, artificial intelligence, but before then, find a way to make sure that all these are KPIs. So you can't say I was immunized, I passed GSS and all of that, but I don't have evidence that I was counted for census. Then you can't enter that school.
I think it is a crime to deny any child immunization. Whether you're the parent, whether you're a teacher, or you're a caregiver. Because these children cannot speak for themselves, and what we need to do is to actually fact check, be an advocate to spread the good news.
Officials are also appealing to parents to ensure their children are vaccinated in line with the Child Health Act, especially within school environments. Emphasis was placed on the need for targeted educational interventions to improve vaccine uptake in FCT, particularly in area councils with low maternal education. Habida Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.